Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to boost your listing or your item on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So after that you go to the marketplace, all you need to do now is to go to the selling portal. You click on selling and here we will find all your listing. So basically I'm going just to wait for the page to load and as you can see here we will find all your listing here and then all you need to do is to click on boost listing and it will take us to the boosting window or boosting view. And now we need to and now all you need to do is to choose a daily budget for your boosting and then you will choose any budget. After that you will go here and choose the placement of your budget or your ad or the boosting and then you will need just to click on promote now and of course you will need to add a payment method of course. And as you can see we can just choose anything that we want and at the end we will need just to click on promote now. It will tell you to add a payment method. You will add the buy-in information and after that you will just click on promote now and you will have your listing that will be boosted successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.